Welcome back. This is the final lecture in our Matplotlib section. Until now, we have plotted only one chart per figure. However, a common requirement in data analysis is to show several related visualizations side by side. Matplotlib provides the plt.subplot function for precisely this purpose, allowing us to create multiple plotting areas, called axes, within a single figure. 1. Understanding subplots. When you plot in Matplotlib, you are always plotting on an axis object which lives inside a figure object. The plt.subplot function allows you to define a grid layout for these axes. The function takes 3 integer arguments: the total number of rows, the total number of columns in the grid, and the plot number that you are currently activating. 2. Setting up the plotting grid. We first prepare our data, 3 different Y arrays based on the same X values. We want to display these 3 plots in a single figure using a 2x2 grid layout, which gives us 4 potential slots. Three. Plotting the first 3 subplots. We call plt.subplot before each plot. For the first plot, we use plt.subplot 2, 2, 1, meaning a 2x2 grid, activating the first position. Any subsequent plotting functions, like plt.plot or plt.title, will target that active subplot. We repeat this process for positions 2 and 3. Notice that we use the shorthand notation to set color and line style simultaneously. Four. Displaying the composite figure. Finally, we use plt.tight_layout to automatically adjust the spacing between subplots, ensuring titles and labels don't overlap. Then, plt.show displays the figure containing all 3 separate, labeled plots. To summarize, subplots are essential for comparative visualization. This completes our Matplotlib section. You now know how to analyze data with pandas and visualize it with Matplotlib. Our next section is in built data structures, starting with lecture 38.01. Introduction. See you there.